In this video, I want to chat about what we are doing in our lab, and then we will demonstrate how we measure blood pressure in animals. In addition, we will understand what method and what equipment we use to measure blood pressure in animals. At the end of this video, the learners shall be able first to explain the effect of broccoli sprouts on rats' blood pressure. Secondly, demonstrate how to use the tail cuff method to measure blood pressure. How many individuals worldwide and aged Canadians between 55 and 74 years old are hypertensive? What happens if those are not treated? How could we prevent this escalating health problems? To answer these questions, there are more than 50% of the Canadians between the 55 and 74 years old are hypertensive. And worldwide, there are around 1 billion individuals are hypertensive. This figure is expected to increase to 1.5 billion next year. If not treated, hypertension will lead to disability and death. So, what way to decrease the blood pressure? To decrease the blood pressure, there is the diet intervention such as broccoli sprouts. In the experimental design, the animals were divided into two groups: normal rat, which called SD rats, and SHRSP rats, which is the hypertensive rats. Each group divided to control and treated. Then they will be given the broccoli sprout daily for 30 days, and the blood pressure are measured at the beginning and at the end. Then we'll see what the effect of broccoli sprout in blood pressure. This figure shows the results, shows the effect of blood pressure over time on SD rats and hypertensive rats with SHRSP. So this is the historical blood pressure, and this is the treatment. As you can see, the broccoli sprout has no effect in normal rats. However, it decreases the blood pressure in hypertensive rats. What method have we used to measure blood pressure in animal? The method we used is called tail cuff method. It is a non-invasive method and based on tail cuff blood flow. For this method, what equipment do we need? Most important, we need tail cuff sensor and a plastic holder and a computer system. So how we measure blood pressure in animals? Firstly, after receiving the animal, we put them in individual cages, 5-star rooms. Then we weight the animals and we feed them a broccoli sprout daily for 1 month. Then to measure blood pressure, we put them in a plastic holder attached to tail cuff sensor that connected to the computer. And any changes in the blood flow appears as a signal in computer screen. We use this signal to draw this figure. In conclusion, first, broccoli sprout is a promising compound in cardiovascular disease. Secondly, tail cuff is a non-invasive method used to measure blood pressure in animals.